Hi there, my name is Erin Carson. I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist from Boulder, Colorado. And what I want to talk to you today about is the BackJoy adjustable massage balls. So the cool thing about the massage balls here from BackJoy, first of all, they've got a textured surface. So that's going to help with circulation. Another cool feature is it actually changes widths. So you can start it really narrow. But as you can see, with just a little bit of a gentle tug, I can take them a little bit wider, which would accommodate me a little bit further down on my back, or I can adjust them one more time to get even wider. You can actually pull it apart. And we end up with a nice little end here, which you can use on the sternoclavicular joint. There's literally 1,000 ways we can use these massage balls, but I'm going to take some time and just show you a few.